We put Levi into martial arts. He was a very shy kid and he was about to start big school, and we wanted to make sure he was confident when he started school.
And how's that worked out?
It's been fabulous. He has really improved in confidence and has really improved his ability to make friends and go and talk to strangers now.
So how do you feel now, Levi?
Happy.
You got a green belt. You feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
In black.
And black, green and black.
How's martial arts helped you?
Good.
Has it made you strong and confident?
Yes.
Yeah. And it's helped you to focus?
Yes.
Yeah. What colour belt do you want to be one day?
Black belt.
Why should we tell people to do martial arts?
Because it's fun.
So Levi here was chosen as Student of the Month because he's such a perfect kid in class. He always has attention on the instructor, always trying his absolute best. It's amazing to see how much his confidence has grown since his first Little Ninjas class with us, and now he's almost out of the Little Samurais class into the big class. Is that exciting, Levi? I know, I think he's going to do great, and it's great to see him help other students as well, hold the shield nice and strong, do his kicks as high as he can, and he's just a role model student.